Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. Did you know that in our Scratch Junior projects that we actually have a game towards the bottom where you have to try and find the sprite? If you're a teacher, you can actually check out the lesson plan and teach this with the students that you work with. However, if you are on Scratch and you want to create something similar where you have to try and find a sprite that's hiding on this particular project, I want to show you how you can do that. Alright, so I want to show you two examples. One is a project that I made a while ago, and it's called Where's Jared? That's me. I'm Jared. Okay, so I only have 10 seconds to find Jared, and you have to find me somewhere on this page. And if you find me, you can click on my face. It says, great job, you found me. And then you can play it again. Okay, now if you do not find me, and the timer runs out, I'm right here, but I'm not going to click on me. It will do this. Alright, so that's a game that I created, but I want to show you a game that somebody else created in Scratch. So let's take a look at that. Alright, so this project is called Find Gobo, and it is by Natty the Wrench. Okay, so a bunch of Scratch cats appear, and we have Gobo who's actually hiding in the background. Now what's neat about this is you can actually move the Scratch cats to get them out of the way, and your goal is to try and actually click on Gobo, and then it'll go to a new level. Okay, so Gobo's hiding somewhere over here. Oh no, he's gone. Oh no, where's he at? So I thought this was a really neat idea, and I wanted to make sure I shared it with you. So check out the descriptions to look at both of these projects and the Scratch Junior project lesson plan that I mentioned at the very beginning. And then comment below your own version of this. So if you create something like this in Scratch, make sure you share it with others below so they can take a look at it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.